Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love luxury RVs and premium mobile living, you're in the right place. Before we begin, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming luxury tours. As we step inside this stunning motorhome, the first thing that grabs your attention is the spacious and beautifully designed living area. This space feels more like a high-end apartment than an RV. The premium leather seating is placed perfectly for comfort and relaxation, whether you're enjoying a movie night or simply unwinding after a long drive. Large panoramic tinted windows bring in plenty of natural light while maintaining privacy. The soft ambient LED lighting across the ceiling adds a warm, modern feel, especially during evening hours. A large LED TV mounted on a stylish wooden panel completes this area, turning it into a perfect entertainment zone for life on the road. Moving forward, we enter the heart of this motorhome, the SkyChef Elite RV Kitchen. This kitchen is compact yet incredibly luxurious, designed for both style and functionality. High-gloss cabinets with soft closed drawers give it a premium finish, while the marble-style countertop offers ample space for cooking and preparation. You get a built-in induction cooktop, a microwave oven, a full-size refrigerator, and a stainless steel sink with a high-quality faucet. Under-cabinet LED lighting not only improves visibility, but also adds a sleek, modern touch. This kitchen truly proves that you don't have to compromise on cooking, even while traveling. Now let's move into the bedroom, a space designed for pure comfort and relaxation. The king-size bed comes with high-quality bedding, delivering a hotel-like sleeping experience every single night. The wooden headboard paired with soft ambient LED lighting creates a calm and cozy atmosphere. Built-in storage cabinets provide plenty of space while keeping everything neatly organized. Side windows with blackout curtains allow complete control over light and privacy, making this bedroom the perfect place to rest and recharge after a long journey. Finally, we take a look at the washroom, and it's surprisingly spacious for an RV. The modern layout includes a glass-enclosed shower cabin, a stylish wash basin, and a premium toilet. The LED-lit mirror adds both elegance and practicality. High-quality wooden and marble-style finishes give the space a clean, luxury hotel feel. Proper ventilation ensures the washroom stays fresh and comfortable at all times, no matter how long the journey is. This luxury motorhome delivers a perfect blend of comfort, style, and smart design, offering a complete home-on-wheels experience. If you enjoyed this tour, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends who love luxury vehicles and RV life. Many viewers watch our videos but forget to subscribe, so please subscribe to our channel and support us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.